pati si Mayor Rudy have not accepted these proceedings. In fact, you have said that this is a sham proceeding insofar as he is concerned.
Attorney, so tuloy po tayo kahit questionable yung jurisdiction. Ngayon, kunwari, bandang dulo, iba ang desisyon ng ICC laban kay PRRD, pero napatunayan din na walang jurisdiction. Pwede bang mabawi yon, yung desisyon na yon, and at the same time, pwede ba silang pasagutin etong mga gumawa ng pag-abuso sa batas ng Pilipino and at the same time yung ICC dahil knowing na walang jurisdiction, tumuloy sila?
As I mentioned earlier, it's quite unique na tumuloy kahit na hindi pa na iklaro, finally resolved the issue of jurisdiction. And by the way, I have made mention earlier na pati si Mayor Rudy have not accepted these proceedings. In fact, you have said that this is a sham proceeding insofar as he is concerned. Because hindi niya inaatrasan ito Kung merong kaso patungkol sa anumang ginawa niya nung mayor siya at nung presidente, he assumes full legal responsibility. That said, he also said na it will have to be a Filipino court tried by a Filipino judge kung anumang kaso na ilalatag. So, nung kahapon nga, pagkatapos nasabi ko na I was asked yesterday afternoon when everything was finished, anong masasabi ko sa nakakahiya, no? Nakakahiya na dalawa, on two aspect, na a foreign court has to hear this case and it's viewed all over the world in that sense, no? At pangalawa, on that note, nakakahiya din, I'm a lawyer, I'm practicing in the Philippines, and yet, it should be tried there because we need to affirm the integrity of the Philippine judicial system na doon natin sa Pilipinas ililitis ito. For them, for those people who brought this case before the ICC, it shows that they don't have confidence on the judicial system in the Philippines. Yun ang problema natin dito. Palakasin natin yung institusyon para mapalakas natin yung bansa, no? If you have a problem, judicial, social, political, let's address it among ourselves as Filipinos and strengthen the Philippine, the democratic institution to address this problem.
Follow-up question lang.
Na we have to hear it before a foreign tribunal na hindi nakakaintindi sa konteksto sa nangyari doon sa Pilipinas. And I like to push further on that one. Good that on the final summation of Attorney Kaufman, dahil for several days since Monday, they have portrayed Mayor Rudy as a murderer, bloodthirsty. Napasali pa yung mga milyon-milyon mga supporter na sinasabing mini Duterte clones as bloodthirsty as well, no? It's very insulting to all of us who have been praying and supporting Mayor Rudy to call us bloodthirsty Duterte clones. But nevertheless, no? Nevertheless, dumaan tayo dito sa prosesong ito na kailangan natin tingnan kung tama at pantay ba itong prosesong ito. Yun lang masasabi ko patungkol dito sa prosesong ito. Kaya I have my reservation because it's very political, very political.